So Margarita traded our scooter for this golf cart. Welcome back, everybody. How are all my friends doing? Today we are camping out here in this lovely up north of Tobermory. If you don't know it, look it up. And obviously we're going to be doing a product review. The BioLite CampStove 2. So let's have a look at it. There's the box, but we're not here for the box. Don't worry, it's already empty. I unboxed everything. All right, so this is really cool in how this packaging is done. So this is your kettle. So you have the handle on the kettle. It's got the spout, because you know what? Kettles need spouts. But wait, there's more to this. Oh, this is where all the magic happens. Right in here. Here we go. This is it, right down in here. This is the BioLite set, little camp stove. And the BioLite here, actually what's really neat about it, it has the battery charger, the fan. So if I turn this on, there is a little fan on the back here that blows. And what it does is actually helps circulate inside to get that heat going for the your pieces of wood. So it's really neat. Like, this setup is really cool. You see how it sits inside there? It's so compact. So basically stuff it in. Then you look at the bottom here, it has that little clip. So this comes in, and this locks this piece in now. This piece is not going anywhere. Then the other two legs fold out. Look at the footprint on that. So compact, so slim. Here is the stove. So I got the kit that comes with the stove set. So if we turn this around, extend the legs out, open this setup, and there's your stove. So this stands right on top, literally. This is it. The legs extend out. Then down in here is where you can use it to feed the fire still. So instead of having to pull it off, put your sticks inside, you're literally putting it right through in the chimney here. So let's get, oh, wait. Before I said, oh, look at this. So this acts as a tray. So you can actually use this to put your food on top and have your tray. So that's pretty neat. All the little things that they thought about in here. You can use pellets, and this here gives you 2 hours of burn time. You're basically going to take small pieces of the wood, fill in this chimney with a couple of the pieces in here so we can get it started. Then we're going to turn the fan speed onto 1. Did I also mention that, you know how this thing charges? With fire. Fire is what creates that fuel for this machine, and you can charge your phone with it. We're going to get to that soon. Gonna light it up, put a couple of these sticks inside, just to show you how easy this is. You don't need anything, just a little bit of kindling. All right, so now you can see we've got that fire going nicely. And then now, oh, I don't know if you can hear that crack of that fire. Oh, there you go. Now you can see the flames coming out. And that's all by closing this chimney. See where that fire comes up? So this griddle is now gonna get hot so we can cook on it. Speaking of cooking, we need some food. I told you, always be ready. When I got the camera, you never know when I can start filming you. All right, so now I have that lid closed and I have the fire going forward. And I'll let this grill get a little hot, and then we'll be able to put this on. Oh, I don't know if you heard that sizzle. So again, with the grill, you have to look for your hot spots. So if you push it further away, it's not gonna be as hot. Bringing it closer, that's where the fire is. So to give you an idea, I've got 2 pretty big burgers on here. I can probably get 6 on here easily. All right, so again, right away, looking at the pros and cons about this, you constantly have to be feeding it. Tending to the fire really to get it to that right temperature is a little bit difficult, and it will take time to get used to it. Everything is cooking fine. There's no problems there. Again, I can move it forward. I can switch to the meat across, the Beyond Meat. You have to make sure you either bring a lot of little twigs along with you or find them in the forest, which is really cool. Again, you can basically be feeding this off the land. No fuel, no gas to bring around with you. Reminds me of the Tesla. So is this for you or not? You really got to make that judgment call. It's about $270. This is the kit. So this is essentially the freebie if you're going to buy the kit. For backpacking, camping, day at the park, this is again compact, easy, put in your backpack. Next, let's boil some water on here, see how long it takes. Let's now put the water. That's it. I am doing a 1 liters And the time right now is 8:16. It's starting to form bubbles on the bottom. And it is 8:22. I've been tending to the fire a lot, 3 times already. But again, what I need to keep remembering about is that this is a backpacker's gear. And when you're out in the woods, it's not like rush. You need to cook your food and go. You're relaxing and you're gonna take your time. All right, so it is 8:28, so it's been 12 minutes and it's finally boiling. All right, so now you can see you can also use a pan. And you gotta make sure that whatever pan you are using can conform and fit onto here to make sure it's not choking the air. You see how the flames are coming out of the sides? That's what you want. So one of my first gripes with this, the fire does go out pretty fast. So you have to tend to it. I'm making a pasta spinach dish. Now, obviously you should be using a bigger pot. All right, so like I was saying, this thing generates electricity from the fire. So here is an LED light that actually comes with the set, and you can shine it on and a little tap, and there you go. You have light. How cool is that? Tap again and off. Tap on, and now let's see if it's going to charge. Look at that. In case of emergency or anything, you can charge up your phone. Small devices, maybe my camera gear, I can charge up while I'm on the camping. Just need a little bit of fire, and it creates the energy for this. And there you have it. On the campfire too, to top it off. What an adventurous weekend. Let me just close off this video for everybody here on the BioLite CampStove 2. Comes with, basically, as you saw there, your grill, all your components, and the kettle to boil the water. As I mentioned before, you can use twigs to start the fire. You can also use pellets. So the biodegradable pellets that burn up. They do sell the bags, but I highly recommend buying them in bulk if that's the way you're gonna go. A bag like this will give you roughly 2 hours full of fire. And actually also, 1 bag equals 2 canisters of the gas. So again, very, very efficient. You saw how it charged up my phone. I also used it to charge up my camera gear, which is the DJI Osmo Action. So in a good pinch, you can use it to charge up your devices. In general, my gripe about it is feeding the fire. It takes a while to get used to that, and you constantly have to be feeding it. So if you're doing a big cook, then you're gonna be feeding a lot and you're not gonna like it. Again though, it is not meant for being a big cook. It's for backpacking, taking it out with you for the day for 2 people, maybe 4 people. You can get a lot on this tray, and compared even to my other gas barbecue. And as you saw in the video, I also used the CampStove set. You can put a pan on there, a big pot, 2-liter pot. As long as it fits on top, it'll work. I like it. For me, it's perfect. Keeping before, I have the big barbecue going on a day trip, lugging that around, bringing a couple gas canisters around. It was a real pain. This has made it a lot easier. So do I recommend it? Of course, I give it a 2 thumbs up. But again, that's for me. Everybody's got to figure out their own thing. Even going on camping trips, hiking, a lot of people use those gas canisters, the fuel jet, and they're really super fast. But again, I'm trying to get away from all the gas and having to carry those extra canisters around. So this just makes it lightweight for me. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, give it a big thumbs up. If you found it useless, give it a thumbs down twice. Details and a link to the product will be in the description below. Catch you on the next one.